for this module, we are going to dive into periodic work. It is a system for planning work based on pre-booked appointments, tracking, and managing regular tasks that occur at set times. So question, how does the periodic work manage the routine tasks? For instance, a credit work, which are basically time-bound tasks, whether it's quarterly, every 3 months, every 6 months, or annually. So to answer that question, once the tasks are in place in the system, everything becomes automated, therefore making work easier. The whole system is for tracking, planning, everything. It's way more convenient. Question, besides planning work and updating information, are there other functionalities in the periodic work? Yes, plenty. It includes everything from initial planning, so you don't have to sit there and rewrite schedules every month. You can assign the task to record 12 months in advance. Just plan it all out for the next year. Question, what else is periodic work is capable of? So regarding the recurring tasks, the system will send out notifications, summaries, and reminders either as notes or emails directly to the people responsible. And when someone completes the work, they can update it in the system to show that everything is done. Therefore, periodic work consists of various mechanisms at work here, beyond just planning and doing tasks. So, question, how can this system help manage service work? Definitely. One of the main ways it helps is by ensuring we complete all tasks thoroughly. Traditionally, with a paper-based system, if you do not open the paper and look at it, you might forget, such as annual or regular tasks. And then when it comes to the time for the service contract with a client to end, they might check in and see that something wasn't done. That can become an issue, like maybe there will be a penalty or you will have to go back and do it again. So this system not only helps with planning to ensure the completion of tasks according to the initial contract with the client, but it also helps maintain consistent service quality. Every month, things need to be done consistently, and there's a reminder system for that, so the quality of work will be more stable. Here's another benefit, more like a happy side effect, proactive planning. With planning ahead, like for some tasks that cannot be done with the resources available within the unit, there's planning and coordination to get them done externally. But with good planning, whether it is resources, equipment, tools, or supplies, good planning helps reduce costs. Because if there is no planning in advance, then it is time to do something, you might have to call in overtime and so on. So isn't it planning better? Question, now what if a small team starts using the application? Do they need the periodic work functionalities? To answer that question, regardless of a company size, we want to maintain stability and consistency in service quality, not just for daily tasks, but also for scheduled tasks that everyone does. Then this feature becomes important regardless of team size. Plus, it is more automated. Absolutely, everything can be done on paper, but if things aren't written down, it might not be completed. But with the system, there are reminders, tracking, and follow-up to see if the tasks are completed. In our system, at the end of the month, we can review what tasks are supposed to be done at each location. And if something wasn't done, there will be a notification. That's it for the periodic work, and in the next episode, we will be presenting the other module of ES Clean.